We'll show you why TubeBuddy's the best toolset to get views, watch time, and subscribers on YouTube. Hello TubeBuddies! We know that growing on YouTube is important, and we wanted to show you how you can use TubeBuddy tools to get more views on YouTube. Here are 5 TubeBuddy tools to help you on YouTube. Please note that some of these tools will require a paid version of TubeBuddy, but all of the tools will be labeled with the license they require. If you haven't had a free trial of the paid version of TubeBuddy, we'll tell you how at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around. Moving forward, let's get started with number 5. Videolytics. Videolytics is a great feature that lets you see how other successful creators have tagged and shared their content. This is useful because it can give you a better understanding of what another creator in your niche is targeting in YouTube search. And since you're in a similar niche, it can help you find places that creator isn't targeting. Finding places that creator isn't targeting gives you a chance to find places in search to stand out. Another great thing to do is take a look at the social monitor to see where that content was shared. Looking at Twitter, for an example, lets you engage with fans of that creator on another platform and gives you the opportunity to interact with them. These are fans that have chosen to share out the content, so they're more engaged than just your standard YouTube commenter. This helps you broaden your community and lets you know what content their most dedicated fans are sharing from that content creator. Number 4. Keyword Explorer. The TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer is an expansive tool that helps you research what people are looking for around a topic. Keyword Explorer is available to free users, but will have limited results compared to paid users. If we were to look up how to get more views on YouTube, we can see how many people are looking for this on YouTube per month, how many videos there are for this topic, a general unweighted score, and for paid TubeBuddy members, a personalized weighted score using your channel's data. The score is like a stoplight. Red means stop and consider another keyword to use. Yellow is to be cautious about that keyword, and green means you're good to go. However, make sure to look at the other factors within the Keyword Explorer. We know that the Keyword Explorer can be confusing, so we've created a playlist to explain how to use the Keyword Explorer in depth and what each section means. Click the card on screen now, but we recommend staying to the end of the video to learn more ways to get more views on YouTube. Number 3. Playlist Organizer. Playlists are important on YouTube, and they help make your videos easy to watch one after the other. With this TubeBuddy tool, we'll help your playlist be even better. By heading to the playlist page, we let you sort playlists for free by standard metrics, such as what's most popular or newest. We also offer miscellaneous playlist options for free, such as alphabetical, or if your videos are in a group playlist, you can sort your videos first, or in a random order. For paid users, we let you sort playlists by which videos get you the most subscribers, which videos have the highest average view duration, which videos get you the most likes, comments, shares, or watch percentage. This is useful because if you want to earn more subscribers, having a playlist that converts people to subscribe to you is a great way to do that. You could call this something like your channel's best videos, or for us, TubeBuddy's fan favorite tools. That way the playlist is more searchable and it gives people an idea what the playlist is about. This helps more people watch a playlist with your videos, helping you get more views, subscribers, shares, watch time, etc. Number 2. Retention Analyzer. Knowing when people stop watching your content is important to getting more views because if people leave before the end, they may not be getting suggested another video from you. With Retention Analyzer, we look at your 25 most popular videos and your 25 most recent videos to find the average view duration. Then you can know at what point people are leaving, so you can add a card to try to engage them, or more importantly, make additional changes so those drops don't happen in your future YouTube videos. If you do add a card, you are likely to get more views because it helps encourage people to watch more of your content instead of clicking away and watching something else. Number 1. Bulk add cards and end screens. You can use your existing videos to push to your most recent video. To do this, head to the My Videos page and bulk edit either cards or end screens. We will show you how to bulk edit cards, but it works the same for end screens. Using the time information we got from Retention Analyzer, place a card on a video at that time. Then, follow the on-screen instructions and you can add that element to all of the videos that have a common drop-off point. This is a great way to get them watching more of your content. On the end screens, you can just select Best for Viewer. which is YouTube automatically suggesting something that is good for that specific viewer. It's important that you add a card right before the drop-off point, because if people click off before the end, it won't matter that you have end screen elements if no one in the video makes it that far. Those are 5 TubeBuddy tools that can help you get more views here on YouTube. If you'd like the link to the TubeBuddy free trial, it's on screen now. Let us know in those comments below, what method will you be using to try to get more views on YouTube? I'm Andrew Camp from TubeBuddy, and thank you for watching.